And to give you some account, this year it was overwhelming response from various stallholders coming from different parts of India, and we had such a high number of applications where we had to reject quite a good number because we don't have space to accommodate them in this All India Industrial Exhibition. And over about 2,000 stalls are there, and our about 900 stall holders, they participate here. They exhibit their products in this All India Industrial Exhibition. And we always, for this 2025, you know, we have a train, mini train, which runs every day. And this time we are going to introduce a bus also, double-decker, which is transparent, totally transparent, windows and all, so that people can enjoy the bus ride, double-decker ride, like in London or in US or in various foreign countries. The same way, it is like a big bus. We are going to run during All India Industrial Exhibition. That is one of the highlights of this exhibition, and there is a lot of amusement items which we are going to be introduced for the entertainment of the public, and new entrepreneurs are going to come. And T-Hub, we are going to collaborate with the T-Hub people. They are going to send about many of their entrepreneurs to participate, and we are making a special arrangements for the T-Hub entrepreneurs.